right, we have some news just coming in. The SIT is also contemplating a potency test on Prajwal in due course of time, is what sources are indicating. Prajwal Revanna produced in a court in Bengaluru. He came back to India late last night, and a potency test is expected to be done, is what we've been given to understand. Expecting that Prajwal Revanna also is going to be taken to the crime scene in Hassan, where the sequence of events will be in fact put together. Also, the voice sampling is going to be done to then build a watertight case against Prajwal Revanna. A potency test is also expected, is what we know. Prajwal Revanna in fact came back to India and surrendered before the SIT that picked him up immediately yesterday from the airport in Bengaluru. Prajwal Revanna's potency test is also going to be done. Shilpa is getting asked more details on that. Shilpa, just take us through what else are you picking up? The potency test, of course, not really uncommon in cases of this nature, isn't it?
Well, that's right, Sneha. In fact, as we speak, the hearing is underway at the City Civil Court. I'm just going to request my video journalist to show you the visuals from outside the court. Prajwal Revanna, of course, has been produced before the magistrate, and after the lunch break, the court has resumed hearing. And in fact, what we're given to understand, my colleague Saga is inside that court to get us all those updates with respect to the hearing. And what he's reporting is that SIT has submitted 2 reports to the court. The judge has instructed the SIT to submit the case diary, and SIT has requested for the custody and have also submitted a remand copy. And the judge also asked Prajwal Revanna as to where he was arrested and if he has informed his relatives. And it was informed to the court that he was arrested around 1 a.m. from the airport, and his father was also informed about his arrest. So that, of course, is important. The judge also went on to ask Prajwal if he's facing any problems, and Prajwal reportedly complained about the unhygienic toilets, is what we're being told. That is what is happening inside the court. And right now, the special public prosecutor Ashok Yadav is, putting across his arguments. They are, of course, seeking custody of Prajwal Revanna. They are arguing for Prajwal to be placed in police custody rather than judicial custody. This, of course, implies that the police require Prajwal Revanna for further investigation and interrogation. So they will be demanding police custody so that they can keep him and interrogate him, gather more evidences, cross-examine him, because remember, some very serious accusations have been leveled against him. 3 women have filed complaints and 3 rape cases are registered against Prajwal Revanna. So police custody is something that will be key as far as the investigation goes, because they need to figure out the device on which Prajwal Revanna shot these videos. They need to gather more evidences, and for that they need Prajwal Revanna to cooperate. And that is the reason why the SPP, the Special Public Prosecutor, is now arguing for police custody instead of remanding Prajwal Revanna to the judicial custody. We are awaiting more updates from the court, but both legal teams, one from the side of the SIT and Prajwal's legal team, are all inside arguing and making arguments about the merits of the case. And we are, of course, awaiting for the Prajwal side to put forward some of these arguments, and also the remand copy will get more of an understanding as to the allegations or the case that has been made out against Prajwal Revanna so far.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details. Shilpa Nair with that report from the court in Bengaluru. Prajwal Revanna's potency test is going to be done, is what we are picking up. Voice sampling also is going to be done.